Hello students, good morning. I am a teacher present here to discuss our 7th unit of English, Marigold. Okay, so in 6th unit we have finished the chapter and completed the worksheet. Now we are going to learn the 7th unit. Like previous units, in this unit we have to also go through a poem and then a prose. So the first we have to discuss the poem, and the title of our poem is Hiawatha, and the title of the prose is The Scholar's Mother Tongue. So let us have a discussion about Hiawatha. Okay, so Hiawatha is the first poem, and in this chapter we are going to learn how we communicate with others, how we tell something to others, and how we understand their languages and their feelings. Okay, so in our class we have friends from different regional languages. Okay, so other than Hindi, we can understand or we can speak English and some other regional languages just like Bhojpuri, Telugu, Odia, Bengali, etc. So just like this, how we can understand the language of animals and birds. You have already get to know that in previous classes that there are two types of animals: wild animals and pet animals or domestic animals. So in some cases we observe that domestic animals can understand our command and our languages also. So imagine yourself inside a jungle. How would you communicate with the animals inside the jungle, or how you want to express your feelings, or how you want to talk with them? So this chapter is about how we deal with different type of animals and birds, and how we try to understand the feelings of the animals and what they want to tell us. Okay, so this poem is all about this, and the title of our poem I am repeating again: Hiawatha. Okay, so Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy, just like you, and who lived with his grandmother, and the name of his grandmother is Nokomis. Okay, so in this poem we are going to learn about Hiawatha. How Hiawatha communicate with birds and animals. So let us recite the poem first. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chickens. Of all which he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets, how the beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels had their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's brothers. So this is our poem, and you have to very much careful about the pronunciation of each and every word. If you can't pronounce the word, or you found that word is difficult for you, you can ask in group or in message the meaning and the pronunciation of that word. So who is the author or who is the poet of our new poem? The author or the poet of our new poem is H.W. Longfellow. Okay, so let us recite the poem again. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chickens. Of all which he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets, how the beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's brothers. In this chapter, we are going to learn about many new words and many new kind of animals and birds. Okay, so you have to write down all the words or all the names that you had not listened before. तो आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे आपको जो भी नया वर्ड्स मिल रहे हैं, जो भी नया नाम मिल रहे हैं, उसको कॉपी में लिखना है, और उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी सही से करना है। अगर आपको कहीं पे भी कोई दिक्कत हो रहा है तो आप तुरंत मुझे मैसेज करेंगे और फ़ोन करेंगे उसको समझने के लिए। सो योर टुडेज असाइनमेंट इज यू हैव टू रिसाइट द पोएम ट्वाइस and then find out the difficult words. You have to write down the difficult words in your copy and practice one page of handwriting. So thank you and have a nice day.